Hey everybody. So, I put together the C++ video of simplifying the squash logic, but I figured I'd quickly whip out the blueprints one so that you have that as well. So, here we go. Really simple change. We're going to get rid of this squash point. Just delete that guy. Where did we put that? We put that in a base character. So go over to your base enemy. Just get rid of that squash point. Compile, save. Come back to our enemy character. It's gone. All we need to do, get rid of the break hit result. Other actor, get velocity. There it is. We want to normalize it. And then we want to delete that, break or split it, get the Z value, check if it's greater than 0, and put it into the condition. Come back in, chase down a guy, and boop. There you go. Simplified, very easy, squash logic, a lot better than what we previously had. Enjoy!